Welcome. This meditation guides you to adopt a simple stress release technique. That is taking 3 deep breaths. But first, be aware of your feet firmly planted on the ground whilst you breathe normally. Begin now by taking a deep breath in through your nose and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale out of your mouth and relax. Take another deep breath in through your nose, as deep as you can, and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you exhale out of your mouth, imagine blowing all of the stress out of your body. Take a third deep breath in and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you exhale, you blow out all the stress you've been holding onto and say to yourself, relax now. Be aware of your feet again whilst you breathe normally. This is your new solution to stress. Whenever you become stressed in the future, simply take 3 full deep breaths in, holding it at the top of the inhalation for 5 seconds, and when you exhale, blow out all stress that you're feeling. And on the third breath, as you exhale, you simply say to yourself, relax now. I invite you to listen to this guided process daily for at least a month to create a habit that will support you not only to oxygenate your entire system, but to keep stress to a minimum. If you've received some value from this short and sweet guided practice, please leave a comment or click the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel where you can explore many more meditations. Breathe and breathe well, blessings galore, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.